Hey guys, this is Skander from AMC PPC Solutions, helping small and big sellers with PPC on Amazon. So also I want to tell you that please do not forget to hit like, subscribe and share button for my YouTube channel. I have two YouTube channels. Wasim Skander Official AMZ PPC Solutions is in Urdu and Hindi, and AMZ PPC Solutions is in English language. I have two YouTube channels, so do not forget to hit like, subscribe and share. It will help the YouTube algorithm to rank this video so more people can get help and learn. Today's topic, for example, your ACoS is high, right? You are spending more money, right? How you can how you can control that ACoS, how you can make your campaigns more profitable, how? So let's discuss. We were working on an account. We were ranking the keywords. We saw that the bids are very high for that keyword. It's a very competitive niche. It's totally dominant by Chinese sellers. Also, it's a low ticket product. It's not a high ticket product. And the margins are very low margins. We do not have this client do not have high margins in this account. When we took this account, this client was having very high ACoS. There is no keyword structure. There's no campaign structure, no keyword list, like that. I started working on that. So we started with the main keywords. We took the high relevant main keywords and we start ranking those keywords. We are still getting the impressions, we are still getting the clicks, we are still getting the orders as well. It's going well. I mean, can't complain that keywords are not bringing conversion. Keywords are bringing conversion and very well. The thing is, our client cannot go in more lower price. Why? Because he do not have the more margin, and the Chinese sellers, they are selling in lower price. So what we have did, we planned a strategy how we will work on keywords. We will keep those keywords with the ranking. We will just focus on those high search volume relevant keywords with not much higher bids, with suggested bids or lower than suggested, and let's see how it's performing. Because if we do not have more margins, we do not want to go for top of search, right? I always recommend staying at top of search. It means that you want to stay on the top, right? So the keywords are bringing conversion. The keywords are performing well, but still we cannot control the CPC because our price is little bit high than other sellers, competitors, Chinese. And so then we decided, let's have another strategy and let's see how it's going to perform. So we made a strategy. How I made this strategy. Let me tell you how. I choose the category, like in which category I was selling. Right? For let's say I was selling in XYZ category, and I went to I explored the subcategory as well. When I explored the subcategory, and I saw that there is little gap for the growth. What I did, I started category targeting. I choose two categories. One is relevant to the product. One is high relevant to the product, but one is a little bit relevant to the product. Okay. So still we are getting conversion on the like the high relevant category, which is more relevant to the product. But I am getting the impression on the other category as well. There is still not that much conversion, but impressions are there. I'm hoping that I will get the results as well. So now, why I choose that category? When I choose those categories, I saw that there is lower CPC. I don't need to go for higher CPC. I don't need to go for more spending. I don't need to go for more. I mean, more, more spending. So what I did, I started with 50% lower bids. I mean, let's say, for example, your bid is, let's say, I mean, suggested bid is your, for example, 50 cents, right? Or 50 fills, 50 cents, 50 fills, like that. And half, what is the half of that 0.50 cents? Half is 0.25. So I started with 0.25, right? It was a test. So what I did, $5 only $5 for that campaign. There is only one campaign. Sorry, there is one campaign only, and it is category targeting. There is two subcategories I was targeting, there's two categories I was targeting. $5 per day budget, and the bids are like, as I said before, 50% lower. As you can see the image in the picture, that from all over the campaigns, this campaign is performing really well, and the test is going well. I'm happy to see the results. Even I cannot say that these are like 100 of orders, but it was test like $5 budget per day. It is nothing, right? Two categories I targeted. One is bringing more conversion, one is bringing less conversion, but I'm hoping that I will get more conversion. I need to just increase the bid and let's see the results, right? But I'm not increasing the bid. I'm just waiting and let's see. I'm just waiting for 1 week more and let's see. As you can see now here, spend 45.37, sale 160, impressions are okay also, 3.53 ROAS, and here you can see our click-through rate as well. And let me show you here cost per click. Very cheap, 0.45. It's very cheap, very cheap, right? I mean, on the keyword where we are getting the bids, $2, $3, $4, and here in the category targeting I'm getting 0.45 CPC, right? So I should focus on this campaign instead of, I mean, some keywords are performing there, I should focus there as well. But I would suggest that if I want it more, I mean, if I want to make it more profitable, I need to focus on the category targeting as well at the moment, and I need to keep the ranking of the keywords as one. Okay. But again, I have to keep optimizing the keywords to reduce my ACoS, to decrease my spend, wasted spend, right? And here you can see that advertising cost of sales, 28.36. That's why I'm not increasing the bids, because I am getting the results in this bids in the category. So I don't need to go for higher bids at the moment, where I know that client is not going to make more money. We always need to think about clients, how client will make money, and how we can make him profitable with PPC. Because if he's profitable, then he's happy to pay you. Otherwise, he's not going to pay you. Even he will pay you, but that is not going to be a long-term business, right? Here you can see that it was started on 13 June to 30 June. You can see here it is even only for 2 weeks data, but we are happy with the results, and we will also work more on this. But at the moment, we are focusing more on category targeting, and we are testing, and let's see. We are testing with very low budget. I mean, I found some more categories with the same product, and what I will do is I will test those as well with very low budget and lower price, and let's see how it's going to perform, right? So my suggestion, for example, if you are ranking the keywords, I mean, it's my suggestion only in that kind of situation where you know that you are not getting any results, like you are spending the money. Like, let's suppose my example, let's say my client's example. Client was spending money on the keywords, ranking, getting orders, but if he is spending $50, he is making $30, he is making $20, right? So then what I did, I find some categories, I tested those categories. In the 2 weeks, I saw there is some hope. Now I'm finding more categories to test. I mean, I don't want to go find 10-15 categories and then go ahead jump into that. No, start with like, it's not a big account. It's not a big account, and client also do not want to spend more money because he is losing. So you have to take decisions according to your client's goal. You must know your PPC goal according to your client's budget and the data, everything. Take the decisions based on the data. Don't forget to share this video with others. If you have any question, you can take my 15 minutes free consultation.